body don't breathe, but you know me. Give me your number, give me digital, cause a long time can't breathe. Leave my family.
November 7th coming to town. Being by Mr. Cartel, Queen Opry, Harry Sutherland, so much more.
Hello. Good night.
Good morning. How you doing, baby?
I am fine. I'm calling to wish my daughter Reba happy birthday. She's celebrating her birthday on tomorrow.
All right.
It's coming from her mother.
All right, no problem. What's your name, though?
Sheila.
Sheila. All right, Sheila. You know the thing. Sheila, Mom, stay on the birthday. What's your station?
100 Jamz.
All right.
The thunderstorm. 100 Jamz.
Where hit music lives, that's how it is. We loving ourselves, sipping on some Red Bull, and you know what showtime is in full effect. 11 o'clock, you know we get it in, right? 2-4 is coming at you, and that's going to be a beautiful thing, all right? Shouts to everybody locked in right now, and I was supposed to be mentioning this, my bad. Shouts out to my Extreme Entertainment crew. They're doing it real major at the same jamming club. Charlie's, you know what this party is, House of Horror. They get it in a beautiful way, and I can take my mask off now, fine. Charlie's still there. You know, Eric, you got armor all the way and body and all the way. So I tried on my mask right now. I know that.
Yeah, man, you straight dog. Everything cool.
All right,
this is something with the ladies tonight. That's right, reality.
Real, my friend. Yes, sir. What's poppin'? Yes, sir. Full night. Still. Watch it. What's happening, girl?
Everything good.
Right.
Yeah, man.
What's good?
Jolly's Budweiser was good.
Say what up to Joe Cools and DJ
Hi, Joe Cools and DJ Fine.
Come on, sweet you.
I look extra beautiful tonight.
Right, yes.
White tennis, white shirts, and jeans.
Come in the hell.
Nice and crinky.
The dude. Look like she just come on the shower cools. Yeah. Boy, that's what they talking about, man. I'm gonna big up Francis Extreme Cool Front and True. You know what it is, House of Horrors. But guys, all about the Budweiser tonight, man. Come on down and join us. Ladies night, Charlie's Club. You want to jump? Go jump. Big up on G-Money 4 minute, man. I'm looking to big up all my foreign massive up in the building. Fluffy, true right about now, too, man, alright? Come on down and join us. It's where the ladies congregate on a Thursday night. And that's where we get together and definitely do it big, man. So you definitely want to be up in the building for an artist party, official one and only party all Thursday night. It's right here at Charlie's Club, ladies. You're free before 12 o'clock because it's all about you ladies, man. I'm looking to big up say what's up to secure up in the house. Right. Security. It is supposed to be security and scared. Say what's up. Say what's up. Just say what's up. Say what's up. Hey, what's up? All right. Anyway, we ain't gonna roster one no more, man. I'm looking to big up Selector Nado up in the building. What up, Nado?
We gotta pick everybody coming to the club from early, you know. Respect Street Girls, the one you know as the early fireman.
Hold up.
Me and Select be the early fireman. Remember the fives are generally, you can't forget, you can't go around the thing, you know. Gotta pick up the reality, the whole one of the Jamz dynasty, gotta pick up my family, the whole Lady Boy family, straight across the board. You can't forget the #1 party spot of the night. It's all about Charlie's Club. You can't forget the Budweiser drink, special 2 for $5, running all night. Budweiser ladies night, baby.
Alright, Mr. Hoy, you need to get us man a job. What's happening, Selector?
Yo, everything good. Joe Cole's pick up yourself. DJ Fives, pick up yourself. Don't forget, ladies, all roads lead right here to Charlie's, alright?
Alright, you know what it is. Come on down and join us, man. Ladies up in the building, get to go. One time it's sexy Brittany, then we get a big up Smokey and the cool got a lock in. And one time with these sexy somethings coming across the road right but now it's showing off because they know they look good and they in shape. Alright, come on now and join us live over here at Charlie's Club, man.
Alright, hold up. Stop the music. Yeah, yours truly, Nassau Slugger, part of the poet, kicking it alongside DJ Fine, Joe Cools, Thursday night, loving ourselves, thunderstorm, 242 corner, big up yourself, run it.
Well, hello. All alone on a night like this?
Your tricks won't work on me, Casanova.
But how to in your heart?
Oh, you're old enough to be my grandfather.
Huh? But with you on my arm, I'll be 20 all over again.
Oh, maybe. A Red Bull.
Red Bull? I'm no matador, darling.
Red Bull, the energy drink, it revitalizes body and mind.
And
then we'll see. Red Bull gives you wings.
Martin slow, but you're right, always looking good, boy. New tires last week, upgrade your muffler to big boy walker muffler this week. What's your secret? I know you only on 2 days at the hotel just like me.
It ain't no secret, my boy. It's all love. Muffler One on Marquis Street, right across from the Alphabet Man's Quarter. Or you can go check that one out on Robinson Road. They got some of the best prices, if not the best anywhere in town. Tires, rims, and all of them flashy other things. Trust me when I say it. They can have your bucks on it on a low budget.
Yeah, man, I feel you.
It's a free ride Friday with Heineken Express and Double B's. If you work or hardly work, Heineken wants you to get your weekend started right with lots of ice cold. Oh, no. I mean extra ice cold Heineken when the Jamz unit pulls up to Double B's this Friday from 4 to 8 p.m. Come on and get on the Heineken Express. Enjoy 3 for $5 specials and lots of Heineken giveaway. It's Heineken and 100 Jamz and Double B's.
Saturday, October 17th at Charlie's Club. Your Face presents Mr. Excitement's birthday celebration. This one's going down. Saturday, October 17th. Get ready for Mr. Excitement's birthday celebration. Unity in music. October 17th at Charlie's Club. And it's all going to be hosted by the one of the Jamz dynasty. Fix your face. So stand up.
I'm really happy for you. I'll let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time.
Because Excitement's going to throw the best party of all time. That's all hottest DJs will be on the set, recline performances, and more. Ladies, it's just time to get in. Guys, $15. Sponsored by Sparnoff, Blue Entertainment, Villa Sex, Cinderella Shoe Store, High Five, Mr. Chick, Balin Hats for Herbal Wanderer, and Guinness.
Here's the sponsor.
Hey! Let me put my thoughts right now.
If a sign in the others,
Stand Mike.
if a sign means you're fresh,
Stand Mike.
if a sign when you're chillin', if a sign again and again.
Bahamian Brewery and Beverage Company, proud producers of Sands Beer and Strongback Stout, announces the launch of Sands Light Beer, low carb and low calorie, and a taste that you will love.
That's all. Get ready. All Club in association with Rockstar Production presents Select the Time Birthday Weekend to the world. October 20th, the pre-party at Ballers Club, Crenshaw Drive, opposite Superwalk. Then October 23rd, get Charlotte Money, $5 before, $10 after, $10 before, October 23rd, get wasted at Fort Charlotte Money. Just go security and music provided by the entire music fraternity. Select the Time birthday